iPhone not showing in Finder on Mac. Fix. It can be frustrating when your Mac doesn't recognize your iPhone. Now, here are some common solutions to get them communicating again. Step 1. Check your USB cable and port. The simplest solution is often the most overlooked. A faulty USB cable or a loose connection can prevent your iPhone from appearing in Finder. You may try these steps. 1. Try a different USB cable. 2. Try a different USB port on your Mac. 3. Ensure the cable is firmly connected. Step 2. Restart your iPhone and Mac. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. 1. Restart your iPhone. 2. Restart your Mac. Step 3. Check Finder preferences. Your Finder preferences might be set to hide external devices. 1. Open Finder. 2. From the menu bar at the top of your screen, go to Finder, Preferences. 3. Click on the Sidebar tab. 4. Make sure CDs, DVDs, and iOS devices is checked under the Location section. Step 4. Trust this computer. When you connect your iPhone to a new computer, your iPhone will ask if you trust this computer. You must tap Trust in your iPhone for it to communicate with your Mac.